comparing fractions, means which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller. Comparing fractions, we have different types of fractions. Comparing like fractions first. Like fractions, unlike mixed fractions, how we will compare and how to identify the fraction is greater and smaller. Okay, here by example I will show you. Example 1, see here. Compare like fractions means denominator is same value. Okay, and 5 by 7 here. This is like fraction, children, because denominator is same here, 7 and 7. So this is, see here, children. Now here what 7 and 7 means like fractions. Okay, somewhat disturbance in connecting problem, children, so sorry for that. See here, we have to compare which one is greater, which one is smaller. How we will identify this? See here, denominators are same, so compare only numerators. 3 and 5 are there, so 3 is less than 5. This is less than symbol. 3 is smaller than 5 means 3 by 7 is smaller than 5 by 7. Okay, like this we have to compare. Okay, 3 by 7 is small and small, and 5 by 7 is greater, larger number. Okay, large value. So like this we have to compare the like fractions. Now comparing unlike fractions, how you will compare? Comparing unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions, how you will compare the unlike fractions? Some students have confusion between how to compare the unlike fractions. Now I am going to tell you by example. See here, I will show. When we compare unlike fractions, we have to do by two methods. Converting into, okay, methods are two methods are there. Okay, first method is by cross multiplication. We can do by cross multiplication method, and second one is by converting unlike to like fractions. Converting into like. Okay, these are two methods we have to compare when using unlike fractions. Okay, when you compare unlike fractions by cross multiple, example, first method, compare 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. Here, see here, children, how you will compare these unlike fractions. See, compare 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. Which one is greater? You can't tell easily. This is not like fraction. Here denominators are same. Then you have compared numerator values. But here denominators are not same. You cannot compare this easily. You have to use first method, that is cross multiple. Using by cross multiple method, multiplication method, 5 by 6 and cross multiplication. Okay, 3 by 8 we have to cross multiply. Okay, 5 to 8 and 6 to 3, what you will get? 5 8s are 40 and 6 3s are 18. Then compare these values. 40 is greater than 18. Then what? This means 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, like this we have to compare by using first method, means by cross multiplication method. Means we have to easily cross multiply the values. Okay, numerator to denominator this side and denominator to numerator. Then 40 greater than 18. Then 40 means this one. 5 8s are 40, no? So 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8, like this. So 5 by 6 is greater, okay, then 3 by 8. Like this we have to compare, children, by using first method. Second method, what is second method? Second method is by converting unlike to converting into like fractions. Okay, we have to convert given unlike fractions into like fraction, then we can easily compare the values. For example, see here what second method, what we have to do. By example I will show you. Compare 8 by 9 and 2 by 3. How you will compare? This is also fractions, okay. 8 by 9 and 2 by 3 not same, so this is not a like fractions. Have to convert. By converting into like fractions, we have to convert this denominator into same values, okay. Then we will compare numerator easily. This is the second method. First of all, we have to take the LCM of this denominator. This is unlike fraction. Given fraction is solution, what? Write down here. Given fractions are unlike fractions, okay. Now what? First we have to denominators, we have to same values we have to get. We need to LCM, we need to change them. We need to change them into like fractions, okay. Now take out LCM of 9 and 3 here. So what is LCM of 9 and 3? Do here 3, 9, 3 ones are 3 threes are 3, again 3 ones are. So 3 into 3 we will get 9. LCM is 9 here. So LCM is equal to 9. Okay. Now change the 8 by 9 into multiplication symbol, and what is this second one? 2 by 3 multiplication. This we have to do the LCM, means what is their LCM? 9 is there. Where we will get 9? We have to do denominators 9 and 9. So we have to change the denominator into 9. Okay, 9 ones are, we will get 9. So multiply this one into numerator, and again this fraction is 2 by 3. We have to change this numerator into 9, okay, where 3 into 3 we will get 9 LCM. So same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So now compare this. 8 ones are 8 and 9 denominator. 2 threes are 6, 9 denominator. So now these fractions are 8 by 9 and 6 by 9 are now in converted in like fractions. Now we can easily compare the values, okay. Here same values are there. Now compare the 8 and 6. What? 8 is greater than 6. So what? So 8 by 9 means which value? This one is greater than this one. 8 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3. Okay. 8 is greater than 6. So which one is greater? Given question 8 by 9, and this one is 2 by 3. Actual given number is 2 by 3. So 8 is greater than 6. 8 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3. Comparing this, we have 8 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3. By using this second method, we have converted this unlike fraction into like fraction. After that, we have compared these numerators. Okay. Now, again, comparing mixed fractions. Another is mixed fraction. See here, example, I am taking this two methods are there. In this also two methods. By example I will show. Compare and 2 1 by 7. Okay, which one is greater, children? How we can't tell this easily. But see here, here is 7 is like fraction. These fractions are mixed fractions and with like fractions in denominators, like denominators. Okay, so it is easy to compare. When comparing mixed fractions, we should compare the whole numbers. When like denominators are there, we can compare these whole numbers. So 3 and 2. So 3 is greater than 2. Whole numbers are different, no? 3 and 2. Then the given fraction, this one is greater than this one. So easily we can say 3 5 by 7 is greater than 2 1 by 7. Okay, if there are like denominators, we compare the whole number here. 3 and 2 is whole number. So 3 is greater than 2. So this fraction is total is greater than this one. Okay, compare the whole numbers when like denominators are there. Now another method is, by example I am showing different problems. Convert into improper. Compare 3 5 by 7 and 2 1 by 7. Another method I am saying same problem in different method. That is first take out this mixed fraction into proper fraction. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 5 26. Proper fraction we have converted. 2 1 by 7 is converted into proper fraction. That is 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 by 7. So 26 by 7 and 15 by 7 are, now compare this. Compare these values. Okay, now what? These are denominators are same. In this we have to compare 26 and 15. 26 is greater than 15. So this total value is greater than this one. Okay, so given 3 5 by 7 is greater than 2 1 by 7. 3 5 by 7 is greater than 2 1 by 7. Like this we have to write the second method. In like fractions we directly compare the whole numbers, or we have to compare this convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. Okay, then also we can compare the numerator. After that we will get the greater value. Okay, now again next is when we have different denominators in mixed fraction, also different denominators. Compare, another problem is compare denominators here. What? Here are different denominators are there, not like denominators. In mixed fraction, unlike denominators, how we will compare this? Convert into fractions. Okay, mixed fraction into fraction. First method is solution I am doing here. See, comparing this 2 by 15 and 5 1 by 12. So this one we will get 2 15 30. 30 plus 2 means 32 by 15. And what you will get here? 5 12s are 60. 60 plus 1 means 61 by 12. Now what? 61 by 12. Compare these. These are different denominators. Then take out the LCM. LCM of 15 and 12 here. Okay. Now what? 15 and 12 means 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 4 1s are 5 1s are. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60 here. LCM is 60. No, 32 into and 15 into what? 4. Then here also 4. is equal to 128 by 60. And again what? 61 by 12. Here compare with 12 into multiply with, we have to get LCM 60, no? 5 we have to multiply in numerator and denominator. What you will get? 305 by 60. Now here denominators are same. Now 128 by 60 is compared with 305 by 60. Here both are converted into like fractions. Okay, here given unlike fraction, mixed fractions but unlike denominators. We have converted by multiplying these fractions in proper fractions, and we have LCM, doing LCM. By doing LCM we have here fractions are obtained. So compare this numerator first. Numerator 128 is less than 305. Okay, 128 less than means this one 2 by 15 is less than this one 5 1 by 12. Okay, like this we have to compare unlike denominators. Okay, now another problem is there, compare 9 1 by 12 and 9 7 by 12. See here children, here same denominators are there and same whole numbers are there. What you will do? In both the given fractions we should compare the proper fractions. We can't compare this. In method this one also denominators are in like fractions, we compare the whole numbers, but here also 9 and 9 are same, then we can't compare this whole number also. Then what you will do in solution? We have to use the another method. We have to compare the this fraction. Okay, this proper fraction we have to compare, as we have same whole numbers with like denominators. We have to compare, then we should compare proper fractions. Okay, when we have the situation like this, when we have given the problem like this, whole number is also same and denominators also same, we have to compare the proper fraction. Okay, fractions, that is 1 by 12 is there and 7 by 12. In this 1 is less than 7, therefore 1 by 12 is less than 7 by 12. This implies the total value 9 1 by 12 is less than 9 7 by 12. Okay, like this we have to compare the like denominators with the whole numbers also same. So we have to compare the fractional part we have to compare. So 1 is less than 7, this total part is less than this one. Okay, easily we can say if you have the problem like this. Okay, thank you for watching children. Thank you, like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, for more updates. Thank you.
Bye bye.